Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located at Ridgeview Crescent in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, is this two-story spacious residential house for sale. It comes with 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. The floor space is 5,564 square feet and it sits on 0.24 acres of land. It is in a desirable location and it is in close proximity to the Santa Cruz Town Center. It features lawn areas and fruit trees, aluminum awnings. House is fully grilled, spacious kitchen, living area, and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $39.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.